Hello, it's Anita Jimenez, your Director of Safety, here with you again to share important information. This week's toolbox topic from your safety lesson binder is personal protective equipment, also known as PPE. For a successful toolbox talk with your team this week, make sure that you are prepared in advance by studying the topic. The most important points I want you to emphasize with your teams are the following. MetroClean conducts hazard assessments at each job site to determine what hazards are present that require personal protective equipment. We provide our workforce with training on how to use it and maintain the equipment in sanitary and reliable condition. The types of personal protective equipment that we use on the daily basis are gloves, safety glasses, hearing protection, slip-resistant shoes, and some employees are required to wear reflective vests. Keep in mind, every site will not wear the same personal protective equipment or all of the personal protective equipment that I just mentioned. As we have conducted our hazard assessments, that's when we decide which equipment will be necessary and we distribute that PPE to you. We provide several styles of gloves for your protection: latex, cut-resistant gloves, and material handling gloves. Always wear latex gloves while performing your daily cleaning routine. Use cut-resistant gloves while working around sharp objects, and use pigskin or leather gloves when handling materials such as wood pallets or other large objects. Eye protection such as safety glasses or goggles must be worn whenever there is a chance for an eye injury that has been identified. For example, changing out a light fixture or while working in machine shops. Hearing protection or respirators may be necessary for specific tasks. Training on the use of hearing protection and respirators are required. Every day you report to work, you must wear slip-resistant shoes. Wearing slip-resistant shoes is mandatory. For those who work in a manufacturing setting, you are required to wear steel-toed shoes. And every day you return to work, you are required, and it is mandatory to wear those steel-toed shoes. Reflective vests are also provided to those who require that form of PPE according to the hazard assessment. You should inspect your personal protective equipment before each use. This includes an inspection of your slip-resistant shoes. Pay attention to the PPE required in your work zones. Make sure your PPE fits well, and if damaged, remove it from use and report it to your supervisor. You have the right to a safe and healthy workplace and the right to refuse to perform an unsafe act. You also have the responsibility to comply with all the policies and procedures and report all unsafe acts. If you would like additional guidance on how to present your lesson on PPE, please do not hesitate to contact me, 832-279-8715. Thank you very much.